Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Barista Sette 2070 WI. This is the weighted version of the Sette 270s with a Kai scale built in for your portafilters and stuff like that. Now, we had to replace the entire transmission of the machine. It's kind of hard to see on video, but if you were to look inside here, there's a lot of white sediment around the burr set, and the actual motor itself was very, very loud, to the point where it was rocking the counter. Unsure of how that happened. You can still see a bit of the white sediment at the top. As you can see, it's on my finger now. And we replaced the bottom burr set, as you can see here, just because there was a bit of damage, and again, more of that white sediment. You can more see it inside of, or it's actually this one. There you are. You can see all of that white stuff in there, which unsure what it is. Most times, sometimes coffee bags of beans usually have rocks in them. Very rarely, but they do happen. A few machines we had to service just because of that reason. So unsure if that happened or anything else like that. But yeah, we replaced the entire transmission, replaced the entire bottom valve. We recalibrated it to a more of an espresso grind. And so we're going to test it here with, there you go. As you can see, the sound is loud, but that's normal with the Sette grinders. But if I were to scoop some of this out here and put it in my hand, very, very fine powder that you could get out of here for espresso blend. And then, of course, you could go all the way to the left for a more coarse setting in case you're making cold brew or any other sort of drinks. Yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.